These days, almost everyone is a cameraman thanks to the smartphones in our pocket. Even videography has become extremely popular, and that's not only due to the quality of video phones, but also due to the popularity of social media and live streaming. Now, it's a proven fact that OPPO doesn't shy away when it comes to innovation. From cameras to display screens and beyond, OPPO has been consistently evolving its smartphones to ensure its customers get everything they want, and then some more. So it was only a matter of time before OPPO decided to focus its expertise and innovative mindset to videography. The brand new OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G is the newest entrant in the company's Reno series of devices. The series has always showcased the best of OPPO, and the new phone is actually unique. As we said in the beginning, with the Reno5 Pro 5G, OPPO has entered another league of video recording capabilities. The phone packs the company's AI video highlight feature, which deeply integrates the company's knowledge and expertise in the field of camera and video for improved video recording. This feature is backed by an industry-first technology, Full Dimension Fusion Portrait Video System, which uses the AI highlight mode to enable adaptive brightness and noise reduction that will make your videography experience as seamless and cinematic as it can get on a smartphone. This feature can be manually turned on or off from the camera interface. One of the places this can help is when taking video in low or dimly lit environments, where it can help brighten up the picture. Another use case is in high contrast scenes, such as those where there is a bright light behind the subject. AI video highlight can help ensure a more evenly lit picture. This makes the most of the company's live HDR algorithm. Dual View Video is another nifty little feature in the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G that allows for users to take videos simultaneously using the front and rear cameras. There is also AI Color Portrait that allows users to turn the background into monochrome while the subject is in color. Those with a slight flair for taking artsy videos would love this AI Color Portrait mode. In order to ensure stable videos, the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G comes with the company's Ultra Steady Video 3.0 that allows users to take high-quality videos that are stable and clear. In order to add a dramatic flair to videos, the rear camera of the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G allows for 960 frames per second slow-mo video. So you can really slow down the action and take in all the details. In addition to all these videography features, the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G also comes with Soloop, the company's own smart video editor that allows users to create and edit their videos on the go. While there are a lot of videography features, the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G also packs a host of abilities to make photographers happy. The 64-megapixel quad camera smartphone comes with OPPO's Image Clear Engine system that allows for quick show with minimal blurring, such as fast-moving subjects. There is also AI Scene Enhancement that is said to offer optimization for the color, saturation, and brightness for specific scenes recognized by the AI algorithm. As if all that wasn't enough, the smartphone can also take photos in 108-megapixel resolution and can even take evenly lit photos in dark thanks to Ultra Night Selfie mode and Ultra Dark mode. Design has always been an important aspect of OPPO smartphones, especially the OPPO Reno series. The OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G is no different thanks to its slim looks and lightweight design. This slim phone comes with 7.6 mm thinness, which should ensure that it fits into the pockets and purses of pretty much everyone. It also weighs 173 grams, which should allow for a decent bit of heft when holding the phone. The Reno5 Pro 5G comes in two striking colors, Astral Blue and Starry Black. What's more, the Astral Blue version of the device comes with OPPO's unique Reno Glow Process, which delivers a glittery visual effect with matte finish on its glass back cover. If you take a look at this rear panel under a microscope, you will see a pyramid structure that offers a large reflective area, making it look brighter and striking. It looks like a million glittering diamonds, and OPPO has worked really hard to achieve this finish. The pyramid crystal structure is also highly hydrophobic, which ensures that the rear panel is free from fingerprints and grease. The display is another key aspect of the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G. The device packs a 6.5-inch 3D borderless Sense screen with a Full HD Plus resolution. It also offers a 90Hz refresh rate for a smoother visual experience. There is also up to 180Hz touch sample rate for faster response time. What's more is that users get to enjoy a 92.1% screen to body ratio and support for HDR10+. So a good video also demands for good audio, and thankfully you get that as the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G comes with Dolby Atmos surround sound. This allows for a more immersive experience when watching movies, as users will feel as though they are in the middle of the action. It also makes an excellent feature for music lovers who love grooving to the beat. Another major feature of the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G is in its name itself, support for 5G network. This means that users of the phone will be able to use 5G the moment it becomes commercially available in India. This becomes possible with MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus SoC powering the device, debuting first in India. This chipset is built using the 7nm process, which allows for better performance and efficiency as compared to previous generation chipsets. OPPO has also added its own technology to the phone. This includes 5G plus Wi-Fi dual channel acceleration that combines 5G with Wi-Fi for faster download speeds. Finally, there is OPPO 65W SuperVOOC 2.0 fast charging tech that should ensure that you don't have to stay tethered to a charging socket for most of the day, and just 5 minutes of charge gives you 4 hours of video playback. Speaking of the battery life, the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G also comes with a super power saving mode that should allow users to eke out the most from the smartphone when they need it the most. This was a look at some of the key features of the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G smartphone. As one can see, the combination of features like AI highlight video and 5G support with hardware like the MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset and 65W SuperVOOC 2.0 charging, and you get a very power-packed smartphone for anyone who loves taking videos. The phone is priced at 35,990 rupees. Sale of the phone starts from January 22nd onwards. The device will be available across mainline retailers and Flipkart. There are also various offers for buyers. These include additional 120GB cloud storage free for 12 months, 10% cashback with select bank cards, attractive EMI options with multiple banks and financial services, flat 2,500 rupees cashback on select card transactions, OPPO Care Plus protection plan with pick and drop facility, and a bundle offer of 1,000 rupees on the OPPO Enco X True Wireless Noise Cancelling earphones when purchased online with the OPPO Reno5 Pro 5G. Check out the video description to know more.